Is your website any good? I know in the previous step, we worked on your website, right? Building your website. But I'd like you to answer the following question. Does your website do what it's supposed to do? Which is ultimately to convince me that you're the best home inspector to hire. The purpose of a website isn't about to educate home buyers about what a home inspection is and what a home inspection isn't. We're past that. We've done 30, 40 years of educating the public. Now there's demand for home inspectors. We all know what a home inspection is. All real estate agents, just about all, recommend a home inspection. So we don't have to do that anymore. The purpose of your website isn't to educate potential clients about what a home inspection is and isn't. Don't waste your time. It's all about convincing that potential client, that site visitor, that you're the best home inspector and you have to be hired. Does your website make me want to hire you? Answer that question honestly, or have someone else answer that question for you. And if you don't have a website yet, well, it's okay. We're on step 5. You should have one by now because we've been working on building a website for you and it's absolutely free. But let's work on building a great website in the next steps ahead. So here's a few tips about websites and InterNACHI's free online customer service and communications for inspectors course. At the Your Website chapter, Website Communication chapter, and Test Your Website sections of that course. And there's the link right there. Let's go there. Your website. The goal of your website is to lead a visitor to make the decision to hire you. That is all it's supposed to do. On every page, there should be a call to action that forces people to hire you, that makes it easy for them to hire you. Call me now buttons. Click here to contact. Click here to schedule now. So your website must quickly make visitors believe that the information they're seeking is just a click away, and then shape the delivery of that information such that it leads each visitor toward a decision to hire you for an inspection. The way people read your website is different than the way they read any other written information. Here's some advice about communicating to people who visit your site. Make sure you understand who is visiting your website. InterNACHI provides you free inspection job leads of people who are searching for certified home inspectors in your zip code, and then talk specifically to them. They are your audience. Sometimes I'll go to a home inspector's homepage and it starts talking about scary pictures of roofs and crawl spaces. Like, what is that about? No, they're looking for a home inspector. They're not looking for defects. They're not looking for a list of Instagram posts about scary problems. They're looking for the answer to who should I hire? And should I hire this person as a home inspector? Second, make sure you understand what they need from you. So make sure you understand who is visiting your website. It's not contractors, it's not real estate agents really, it's people who are about to buy a home and hire a home inspector, and make sure you understand what they need from you. They need information very quickly that you are what they are seeking, that certified professional inspector. A home inspector's clients are nearly always home buyers, and most of these will be first-time home buyers. So consider that audience that you're talking to. Many of these home buyers are conveniently placed all in one place. They're all in one place online, and they're all searching for one thing. Well, banks, the right home, the right real estate agent, and a home inspector. Since you won't have an opportunity to sell your inspection services face-to-face, it's important that your website be capable of doing your selling for you. To a potential client, your website is your way of communicating who you are and what you do. The most important page on your website is your home page, and it's the first impression you give to everyone. So as a home inspector, you might want to work on some of the most expensive real estate in the world. But no home is as valuable per square foot as your own inspection website's homepage. Your homepage can generate you many thousands of dollars in inspection business if it's done right. Whether in person or online, you only get one chance to make a good first impression. So go through this chapter of the home inspection business course about websites and communicating what you need to communicate very quickly to the type of people who are visiting your website.